Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing your reading list on Safari. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On Safari, tap the bookmark button from the bottom right and then select the Glasses tab to get to your reading list. Tap Edit from the bottom right of your reading list. You can now select some or all of the items in your reading list and then tap Delete to remove them. Your Safari reading list has now been cleared. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Safari tips and tricks.